Hello everybody, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens, and this is episode 57 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something pretty cool here. I have to remove it because it's just growing really crazy. That is this volunteer vine plant that I have growing here. As you can see how far it's coming. In about 2 weeks, it grew from there all the way over here. Look at it growing up on the trellis. The grape plants are right over here to grow up on this trellis. I had to remove the passion fruit. One, it was getting too old, and two, there's too many bees for my son and my daughter to play. Take a look at the flower. Let me zoom in closer. Look at that flower. Zoom back out. But I'm not too sure. Let me know what this is. Look at where did I see that nodule that was coming up? It's okay, regardless. But you can see my grape plant, I got a trellis back up this way. But it's just an amazing plant. Look how big the leaves are. One moment. Look at this, velvety too. Just amazing. So let me know in the comments if you know what this is. I can't believe how fast vines can grow. It's amazing. I love it. I missed the passion fruit, but passion fruits only last about 4 to 5 years. That's about it. And it was on its 4th year, so might as well. Can't really plant it. Too many bees. Happy gardening, everyone. Bye.